Hello everyone, it's me Sahil and this is the last part of the painting. We have completed 4/5 of the painting, just 1/5 of the painting is remaining. The same highlights which were given to Yashoda Maiya's hair are given to Shri Krishna's hair too. To the previous color, I have added flesh tint color and I'm using the same liner brush number 1 and I'm giving some more light colored highlights to both Yashoda Maiya and Krishna's hair. Using Van Dyke brown and black color, I'm giving borders to the body of both Yashoda Maiya and Shri Krishna. The same liner brush number 1 is used for this purpose. Light green, burnt sienna, Van Dyke brown and deep green and liner brush number 1 and I have started painting the peacock feather. Persian blue, light green border to the Persian blue color. Burnt sienna and flesh tint around it. For this I am using liner brush number 1. Burnt sienna to give some brown tinge to the flesh tint color and more flesh tint from the upper side. Deep green and less black color for the dark strands of the feather. Using white color and golden color and flat brush number 1, I'm giving some more yellowish tinge to the circle which is around Shri Krishna's head. Now we will paint the jewelry of both the Yashoda Maiya and Shri Krishna. For that I have kept the sheet of paper correctly onto the canvas and now I'm tracing only the jewelry. Once it is traced, we will erase the excess soft pastel and we will start painting the base for those jewelry. Using flesh tint, Van Dyke brown, burnt sienna and flat brush number 0. I started painting the base for it. Jewelry is the last part of the painting. Using permanent rose and crimson color and round brush number 000, I'm painting the Tika of Shri Krishna. Using flesh tint and burnt sienna and round brush number 000, I'm giving highlights to the golden part of the throne. To that previous color, I've added golden yellow color and making the cushion more yellowish from the left hand side. Using flesh tint white, less burnt sienna, Van Dyke brown, crimson, and start painting the details of the jewelry. Note that I'm using round brush number 000 for this, which is the finest brush. So this is the shade which comes neither at the lighter side nor at the darker side. After painting the necklace, I will go for the earrings. And then to the Mount Tika. Using Van Dyke brown and round brush number 000, I will give some dark colors to the jewelry. Basically what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give the border of Van Dyke brown to the previously made designs of the previously made color. Using flesh tint mode white, less burnt sienna and Van Dyke brown and crimson. Now I'm using dotting tool and white color. Make sure that this color is not diluted with water. Using burnt sienna and lots of water and round brush number 2/0, I'm going to give wash of it to the jewelry. This will give somewhat reddish tint to the jewelry. Using white color, I'm painting somewhat small beads for the necklace. Using white and golden color and a round brush number 000. Then with white and flesh tint color. Using dotting tool and white color, I'm painting the pearls which are on the Yashoda Maiya's head. For smaller pearls or beads, I will use round brush number 000, and for bigger ones, I will use directly the dotting tool. Using deep green color and round brush number 000, I'm going to paint some embedded beads on the jewelry of both Yashoda Maiya and Krishna. As we did for the deep green color, I'm going to use cadmium red and crimson color for the embedded beads of the jewelry. Most of our painting is completed now. I'm giving some more details. And the painting is completed.
So hope you have liked the video, and if you have liked the video, do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if not subscribed it yet. Until then, bye.